And here's Brenda Lockhart with part 2 of In the Community with Casual Restaurant.
Let me ask you, what are some of the challenges you've faced working in the food industry? Well, one of the challenges is the customer. The customer come in our shop, he might ask me to use the washroom. He said, "Can I use the washroom?" But look upon him good, up and down and up and down again. And I said to him, that not upon the menu. It is not on the menu. Well, one thing we do here at Casuals, we're not into the customer service team. No. You buy something on the menu, then you can use the washroom. You know, use the washroom and then say you walk out without spending no money. It's water bill we have to pay to service the washroom. So if you're not buy nothing to eat, go out there, so go piss in a one bush. Sometimes them come in. Now I'm true, so we love entertain people. You know, years ago, we used to, when we did little younger, we used to entertain people. That mean all then something they play and cook and eat and laugh and joke and all then something there. But now we have one shop. Business are walk in and I walk out. And you are stand up there so I kick off joke and I carry and I bounce the customer in a line. No man, and you laugh and joke. So me just say, know what, make case come out. Because me can't take it in my head right now. Come out. Me can't take it in my head right now. I make too much noise. Come out. If you not put your foot down, the customer will walk all over you. When the customer come in the shop and expect to get whatever they want, that is the challenge. Because them no run this place. And my business. When my wife come at the back and tell me the customer want this and the customer want that, and me have to turn to her and tell her to ask the customer Ray, because the customer now really yet.
Mr. Casual, do you mind the knife?
You afraid of this?
Just a little bit.
Lady, make I tell you something. Me born with cutlass in my hand. This now go do nothing to you.
Obviously, this is a little segue into what is deemed to be a little bit controversial with your restaurant. Can we discuss the stigma that Jamaican restaurants have received about poor customer service?
Stigma? What is the stigma? What do you mean exactly? Stigma? What do you mean about stigma?
Oh, your wife asked the same thing. With the reputation of the restaurant, something that sticks, that's known about Jamaican restaurants, they maybe not treat the customer accordingly.
What is it to customer service? Then for the customer to come inside here, get the food where them pay for, and leave with them belly full. We serve the customer the food and then leave with them belly full. That is customer service. Every single other thing is extra. Them pay for extra. Them no pay for extra. Them pay for the food. And that them pay for. And them pay for get them belly full. And that them get. When you talk about customer service, we're serving the customer, don't it? So if we're serving the customer, what is the problem? What is to be poor? What is to be poor? The customer walk in, order the food, we give the food, we serve the customer the food. That is customer service.
I didn't think about it like that.
So what is to be poor? What is to be poor customer service? If it was poor customer service, we would be out of business. But the business is blessed. Let me tell you something. In life, if you're not set order, people will come in and create disorder, and then everything is out of order. You hear that? You hear and you understand. Good. Know that. We still have business that go on inside your son. So it can't be that bad. If the service was so poor, why are we still flourishing? Why is business still running? Ask the question.
I get it. It's true. You are serving the customer. The customer came in, paid for food, left, and they're satisfied. What better service is that? Exactly. Understand them people. Yeah, where this man Let's move on to the next question. Stay tuned next week with the continuation of In the Community.